can't hear the silence you describe. Don't be ashamed. We can always leave this place and go where no one knows our names. Pack your bags. We never needed their permission to believe in ourselves. So come with me. We could spend the weekend doing everything they said we'd never do. In their universe, we're just causing trouble, but nothing can hurt us.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. I'm filming from a very different location today. You might be able to tell I'm a little bit pink from the sun. We're in Cyprus, we're in Pathos. I am on holiday with my 3 boys. If you've not seen any of my videos before, I'm a single mum of 3 boys who are, how old are they? 11, 9 and 7. We have come on holiday to Cyprus, Pathos in Cyprus. We're actually with some friends, we're with another family, which is nice because we can do things together, we can do things separately. Boys are absolutely loving life at the moment, especially because the hotel is all inclusive, so they are just in their element with how much ice cream they've been allowed to have, and there's pizza, so that's all they're really that bothered about. I thought I would do a vlog. I'm just gonna add, it might be a little bit random the way it's filmed, but there's gonna be a lot of like just clips that just sort of show you bits in the hotel. So I'm about halfway through the holiday. We're here for 11 nights. We haven't ventured out all that much out the hotel, just because there's been so much here to keep them entertained. It's like very much all about them this holiday. We've walked down to a harbour when the weather wasn't as nice. We've taken them to a trampoline park and things like that. They've just loved every minute of it. The nighttime entertainment has kept them really good. Like Dylan, it was like the first couple of nights where they were quite shy watching anything like that, like the kids disco. But then last night Archie won Best Dancer, and Dylan was just absolutely full of beans and up dancing, and it was really good fun because they were a little bit shy at first, but I feel like the longer we've been here, the more comfortable they are. Like they just know the hotel a bit better, they know the routine and the system of like getting the food themselves, like they're just loving it. So yeah, I just thought I would share a little bit of our holiday with you, just random little snippets. I've not picked the camera up consistently and probably still won't for the remaining time here, just because obviously I'm on holiday and I'm not going to be vlogging like every minute. Yeah, I thought I'd share our little holiday experience with you and just show you where we're staying if maybe you're thinking of coming to Pathos in Cyprus. We are here in mid-April, and the temperatures so far have averaged around 20 so degrees. It is like the perfect temperature. I feel like it's not too hot. It is hot, but it's not too hot. I've burnt my lip actually, which I've never done before in my life, which I'm really annoyed with myself about, which is really sore. But yeah, it's definitely hot. If we were to come later on in the year, in August or anything, I would really struggle, I think, and I don't think the kids would enjoy it as much because it'd just be too hot. So this is a great time to come. Also, obviously I'm a little bit naughty because I've taken the kids out of school for like a few days, which I've never done before either, but that has meant that because we're just off season a little bit, that it is so much quieter, which has been really nice. We've just had like loads of room by the pool. It's just been a really great time in my opinion. We've had one day of rain, one day of it being quite windy. When I say rain, like literally little tiny bursts of rain. But yeah, other than like a windy day, it's been like really, really nice. And I think it's going to be sunny for the rest of the days that we're here. So yeah, I'm going to go down and get breakfast. They do this like cake, I'll have to film it. They do this cake and it's like cold custard. It's really, really nice. I'll have to see what it's called and film it because it's my favourite thing ever. So I'm going to go get a slice of that and a coffee.
We found love here, together we will shine, but we know we're running out of time, 'cause we met like strangers in the night. Don't tell me it's over now.
kids have loved. Those are the slides, but unfortunately, we're just out of season, so they're not on until May. And then there's a big pirate ship play area over there. But yeah, they've been loving this one. What are you doing? Ooh, what have you got? Big beetle.
I saved it.
That's what?
Saved it.
Give him a name.
Steve.
Steve. Hi, Steve. Looks like a Steve.
I got a bug on my hand. Me, Steve.
Steve. Oh, there he goes.
Brother. Yeah, me and Jill saved a woodlouse yesterday.
Did you?
I saved the bug. That one. It's a beetle.
Real life superheroes. Should we go?
Bye bye, Steve.
Bye, Steve.
Leave it. Leave it.
He might still be there when we get back. This is the other pool that you're allowed to have the inflatables in and things, and this is where they do like a lot of the activities. And then there's another pool over there that's just like where it's more of an adult one. You're not allowed to take inflatables and things in, but we switch between this one and then the splash pool normally. It's beautiful. And then in there is where we'll get all our food mostly, but then they also do have a little like a snack bar over there where they do things like waffles and obviously drinks, ice cream, and then you can get like burgers and chips and things just in the day as well. So it's just non-stop eating, to be honest. I'm going to combat the size of a house. What did you win last night, Archie? What did you win?
Certificate.
What did you get a certificate for?
For the best dancing.
For the best dancing. It's hot today, isn't it?
Why does it feel like 18 degrees?
Feels really warm. Okay, I'm just going to show you the hotel room. So obviously you've got the bathroom here, got a full bath, shower, all of that, the usual stuff. This is all the wardrobe area, loads and loads of storage actually for all of us. So I've got all of their clothes in there and everything. You get a little mini fridge as well. They normally put fruit in here. Yeah, like a plate of fruit. And you get new bottles of water every day. We've got tea, coffee, the usual stuff, loads of apples. Excuse the mess because there's obviously 4 of us, me and 3 boys in one room. So it is not staying as tidy as I'd like, but me and Archie are sharing this bed, and then Dylan and Toby in these 2. And then that is the view from the balcony. On this beautiful day, which is really nice. It's only a little balcony, but it's a beautiful view. And yeah, that's our little room.
David just said, come on, you pancake grown-up heads.
Cuando dice que me quiere, no sé, que está con otras mujeres, no sé. Ese nudo en la garganta me acompaña. Yo no soy boy, ya sé que me engañas. Estás loco llamándome. Rompió el cel para no contestarte. Mientras hay otra en tu cama, nunca pude imaginarme que era así estar con vos. Merecí la lección. Ahora ya no quiero, pues que todo cuero y nada de te amo forever. Tu inglés malo, dejarte ti pa' mí sería un regalo. Hay otra en tu cama, nunca pude imaginarme que era así estar con vos. Merecí la lección. Ahora ya no quiero, pues que todo cuero y nada de te amo forever. Tu inglés malo, dejarte ti pa' mí sería un regalo. Ya, no tendré nadie como tú. Baby, esa es la actitud. Yo sé que me quieres, no sé, que estás con otras mujeres, no sé. Ese nudo en la garganta me acompaña. Yo no soy boy, que tú hablas con tu niña. Dice que estás en otro lado y estás en Carolina con ella. Ahí viendo Netflix, las heridas ya no tienen fix. Pero ve con ella, que te haga feliz. Y después no vengas a decir que te amo forever. Con tu inglés malo, dejarte a ti pa' mí sería un regalo. Ya, no tendré nadie como tú. Baby, esa es la actitud. Cuando dice que me quiere.
So, me and Toby are just having a little stroll, whilst Dylan and Archie have gone to the kids club here. You didn't fancy it, did you? We're just, the hotel's here, and then we're just along the sea, just having a little beach walk. There's a really cute little church up here, and there's like a sunset point where it's obviously a really good view. Ooh, my hat's gonna blow away.
Watch that tonight.
Yeah, we can go and watch it, can't we? We said we would. I did try and attempt to watch it not long ago, but it was a really windy night. I need to put my sunglasses on. But yeah, there's a really cute little church and a sunset point. It's really nice. We did walk to the harbour the other day as well, but it was on a really windy day and the sun wasn't out. So it probably wasn't the best day to do it. It did start raining a little bit as well, but apart from that one day, maybe 2 days of it being windy and stuff, it's been quite nice. But yeah, we go home tomorrow, so this is our last full day. I want to go back to school. So just having a nice little walk out with some of that food because we didn't eat. And yeah, I'll just show you some of the sights as we go along. So this is the little church that we're just coming up to. Doesn't it look funny with all the big hotels around it? But the inside of the church is just amazing, isn't it, Tobes? Did you go in the church the other day?
Yes.
It's so beautiful.
Look, this is when they made it. They started making this in 2012 and finished like almost a year later.
Oh, I thought it'd be older than that.
No, you're
Have
saying.
you seen in here?
Oh, no, I've never seen.
You can light a candle.
Huh?
You can light a candle.
Can you light a candle? Ooh, I want to light a candle.
People have wrote in all of the candle soup has gone on the tiles. People have wrote little messages in all of it. It's cute, isn't it?
Going back, George.
Oh. Ring it. What? How does it? Do a little one. Just the one. People have wrote little messages for loved ones on rocks.
There's some rocks behind here.
It's nice though, isn't it? Nice idea.
Also, if any kids want to take part this evening in the taking name, what you're going to do, and then Bye bye, lizard.
Nunca termina lo que empiezas. No hubo ni una despedida. No sé si es que te crees mucho o es que estás perdida. Esto es como un rompecabezas, porque no le encuentro salida. No lo sé. Oiga, señorita, tú me quieres nada más, porque no sabes amar. No me digas que es verdad, que ni me la creo. Tú me quieres nada más, porque no sabes amar. Solo es fake lo que me das. Así se dio fácil, explícame entonces cómo fue. Dijiste te amo 1000 veces, bebé.
Hi, so we are back home. I didn't film a little outro whilst I was there, so you can get one from the UK. You can probably hear the washing machine in the background washing all of our holiday clothes, but no, it's quite nice to be back into a routine back home. I really hope that you enjoyed this vlog. We had the best time ever. Cannot wait to do it again. Can't wait to see where else I can take them. And yeah, give it a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it and hit the subscribe button. And I would absolutely love to see you again for my next video. Bye everyone.